We're Jesal and Sonia. We are renovating our 1989 Ford Coachmen camper van that we lovingly call Turtle. Last week we finished putting together our control panel, upper cabinets, plumbing, and gas, which made it so we could successfully complete our project for this week, building our kitchen and pantry area.
We're back! And we're excited to finally start our kitchen build!
It's coming along. The van is starting to feel like a home, but once we get the kitchen here and the countertop,
even more so.
Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. So I think the process is gonna start the same way as we did everything else. Templates.
Yes. Our beloved template time. It's a little annoying, but it gets the job done really, really good.
Yeah, and it's better to have it right the first time, so that way it's less rework.
Yeah. We don't have time. We have 1 week until we leave, so
yep.
Let's get going. Alright, we finished our kitchen framing!
Yeah, it was actually not as hard as we thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
We built it piece by piece, and everything is level and square, and it turned out good.
Look at that beauty.
We're going to have different areas for drawers and everything that we want.
Yeah, and tomorrow we're going to put the butcher's block on.
Yeah.
So exciting.
No half measures.
Before you think I'm crazy, it actually says to vacuum all the sanding and dirt.
This process actually took a total of 3 coats and for several days, giving it ample time to dry. After being in the garage for years, today we finally installed the butcher's block into Turtle.
Oh my god, this looks so good!
This height is nice.
Wash your hands. You're to wash your hands over there. I have to cook. So we have to cut it this way.
Yeah, we cut this part, but I think we cut off of the back side, so we keep this nice smooth edge.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, building it piece by piece, it is exactly square. It's the same distance here and over there. Finally, we get how to build inside of a curved, unlevel, non-square space.
Have we become pros?
We built a square front. Oh my goodness.
Oh yay! Good job, Jesal. That's all you.
Yeah.
Great measurements.
Thank you. Oh, you helped me out a lot with this. This is great.
Oh man. That's awesome. Like it? Do you like this?
we took the butcher's block back outside so we could cut the sink area and our gas range. We added some supports to our butcher's block, dropped in the sink, and dropped in the gas range to make sure that it fit correctly.
Alrighty, so we got our gas range in, we got our sink in. We were gonna put in our faucet, but I realized that our bed wouldn't be able to come out because it's too tall. So I ordered a new faucet, and that's coming tomorrow. It's so windy today. Look at Luna. Alright, it's time to put in our fridge and our pantry area.
Yeah, the fridge is going to be down here and it pulls out this way into the kitchen. This is our fridge. It's a 65 quart chest style fridge, and it can be a freezer too. The way we're going to mount it is we have handles on the side, and we have these 500-pound drawer slides that have locks on it. So that's how it's going to go in, and we're going to have to figure out a way to put it all together. I'm also going to modify the electrical on the side so that way it can be plugged in from the back instead. So that way the plug doesn't rub up. Let's do it.
These guys could be in a home, but they prefer the van. That's a good sign, I would say. Jesal's checking the framing to make sure we're going into the frame and not the outer shell.
Yeah, because a stud finder doesn't really work in this type of space, so I'm just kind of using my own version of X-ray vision.
Okay.
Bye-bye, batteries.
Bye.
Hey, welcome to the back of the fridge. We rerouted these cables to come out from the back so we don't have to worry about anything getting hit on the side. And then all I have to do is plug it in.
Google says that your fridge should be about 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below.
40, okay. We'll do 40 for now.
Yeah. So I just flip this little lever downward. It's not up. Sorry. Oh my god, it's so easy. Alright, who wants carrots and cucumbers? There, and I can just like take one, pass it down here. Oh, and this is nice and up high.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Dude, this is nice.
Close it now. See how it feels to close.
Close, and
You have to release the lock.
release that lever.
It's not locked.
It's not?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Switch didn't like fully engage. There you go.
Okay, now I know.
Yeah, so you just kind of push it into place.
Oh my god, yay, we have a fridge! We have a fridge, we won't go hungry. Yay!
Speaking of going hungry, we need to install the rest of this
Oh yeah.
and that.
Yeah. I thought it was lunchtime.
Things are coming together.
They're actually coming together. Before we used to stand and eat bananas.
Mm-hmm. We do have a propane alarm, but just in case we want to check for leaks inside too. No bubbles.
Yay!
Alright, so now that we checked that there's no leaks, let's just make sure the gas is working. Should be. Use the blue lights.
The lights are on. Yay!
We've got ignition.
Yay!
Alright.
Woohoo! We're in cooking business now.
It's gonna be hot.
Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Looking like a home now.
Hey! The drawer that we want to make should go to like 40 or 41.
Yeah.
That'll give us like a nice thick drawer. Like 42. Just make it go to 42 because we'll lose some space. Sure. And that way the drawer is here and then that's where the pantry starts.
Perfect.
Okay.
That looks good to me. Wanna go inside, Luna? Yeah? Come on. Let's go inside. Good girl.
Alright, back to the pantry. This will be our pantry. We kind of have shelves that we can adjust or move around if needed. And we'll have two doors that open like this. So we can have various things. And for the front, we ended up using up some of the trim that we had extra. So that way it kind of has a lip for things that are in here in case we're driving, just doesn't fall out. The doors will help too and we'll have magnets on them, but this kind of just prevents when you open the door, things like just sliding out. Drawers we're gonna all build in one batch. So right here, there's gonna be one drawer. And that's going to be built later.
It looks kind of funky right now, but we're going to paint it during our trip and it'll look really nice.
Our new faucet arrived, so we installed that along with our filter and soap dispenser.
Alright, you all. Jesal had the most genius idea. Take a look.
I wouldn't say it's overly genius, but because there's so little space here, this is the weight for the faucet. It only lets us like take it out this much because the weight has to be above like the lowest point. So forget this weight, I don't need it. I have this 2.5 pound weight and now I can put it where they recommend putting the weight. And this, there's not enough space, but what I do is just slip it behind here. Just kind of shove it down there and there you go.
Now it fits in there.
Down. And now we can extend this
so much further.
And it still goes back up.
And we still get 40 gallons of water underneath.
We still have all this space.
Yay! Because look at how there's no way this thing could fit in between this area.
Yeah.
Good job, Jesal.
Yeah, and I'm gonna leave this rope just in case it gets untied. I still have this rope to like pull it back up.
Yeah, it doesn't get lost in there forever. Does Luna want a shower?
What are you doing, Sonia?
Filling up our water tank.
Yeah, it's filling up.
No leaks?
No leaks on the fill up, and then we're gonna test it all out.
truth.
Yep.
Let's see if it works. Oh shit.
Yeah, air is gonna come
I'm
out.
so scared.
Air is gonna come out first.
We have running water. We did it.
We did it.
We have a kitchen now.
Hey! We have running water.
Yes, yes.
We have a working stove with the gas, and then we have a working fridge and a pantry. So I think that's everything for a successful kitchen.
Yeah.
The next thing we have to do is install the closets that are going to go back here, and then the drawers and the cabinet faces that are going to go all throughout the van. We're going to go and build that all in one batch.
See you next week.
See ya.
Jesal's mom lovingly put together for us our door panels. We just need to do a few finishing touches.
Look at that! It's done! It looks legit, finally! No more buttons hanging off to the side, and it all has its home now. And then we think we're gonna get a cup holder shelf that we're gonna just mount on here later on, but they're done for now.
My butt crack was showing you that scene.
Huh?
I think my butt crack was showing you that scene.
Oh my goodness. Whoops.
Bye-bye batteries.
Bye. Oh my god. Oh no, these were so organized.
Separated too.
Oh my god. This makes me so sad.
I really needed these ones. There's actually something really looks weird.
Really?
Yeah, this right there.
You're so mean.
How's it look?
Where were you?
I wasn't even trying to scare you.
It was so unexpected.